Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mixed dals chutney pudi. Let's begin. For this I have taken about 1 cup of chana dal. Roast it on a medium flame until they turn golden brown. Next add 1 cup of urad dal. Lightly roast on a medium flame until it turns golden brown too. Transfer both the dals onto a plate. Now in the same kadai add about 25 to 30 red chillies and 2 cups of fresh curry leaves. Gently give them a good mix until they are well roasted. Now you can see that both the chilies and the curry leaves have turned crisp. Next, add a piece of tamarind. Lightly roast it. To that, add a cup of dried coconut. Roast it well until they turn golden brown. Now that all the ingredients are well roasted, let's move on to the next part, the grinding. Add the red chilies and the curry leaves into a dry mixie jar. Powder it fine and then transfer it onto a clean steel plate. Next, add the roasted dals. Grind it into a fine powder too and add it to the green chili and curry leaves powder. Next add the dry coconut and the tamarind. Next lightly roast a small piece of Asafoetida or hing. Add the Asafoetida to the dry coconut and tamarind and powder them first. And then to that, add the remaining powdered ingredients. Salt as needed. And bring everything together into one fine mixture. Here I have ground it in 2 batches. So repeat the process. Now mix everything together and it's almost ready. The only thing left is the seasoning. Let's get to that. You can leave it as it is or you can even add the seasoning. The seasoning only adds to the flavor and the aroma of the chutney pudi. Finally chop a big bunch of coriander leaves. Heat up gently 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once it heats up, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. To that, add the chopped coriander leaves. Saute the mustard seeds along with the coriander leaves until the coriander leaves turn really nice, dark and crisp. Once it completely cools down, gently powder it and then add it to the chutney pudi. Give everything a good mix. You can see that the chutney pudi turns 2 shades darker. Enjoy this delicious and flavorful chutney pudi with your idlis or dosas or hot toast or even hot rotis. Thank you all for watching this video and do try out this recipe. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye everyone.